11th Science Chapter 3 Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties Part 7 Trends in Physical Properties.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. Let us continue further with the periodic trends in the modern periodic table. Right? We already studied about valence electrons, valency and the atomic size variation across a period and a group. Now the next periodic trend is ionization enthalpy. Let us define ionization enthalpy first. The amount of energy required to remove an electron from neutral gaseous atom is known as ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Now, let us see how it varies across a period and a group. We know that as we move from left to right in a periodic table, atomic size decreases. Why decreases? Because every time electrons are added into the same shell, the nucleus has strong force of attraction for the outer electrons, and as a result, contraction takes place in atomic size. So atomic size decreases. Now, if the atomic size decreases and nucleus is having strong force of attraction for the outer electrons, in such a situation, more and more energy is required to remove the electron. So, we can say ionization enthalpy increases in a period. If we move from top to bottom in a group, top to bottom, atomic size increases. Why it increases? Because every time electrons are added into new shell, the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell increases. In such a case, the nucleus is unable to attract the electrons. So, it is very easy to remove the electrons and it requires less energy. So, we can say, ionization enthalpy decreases in a group. Now let us move on to the next property, which is the opposite of ionization enthalpy, that is electron gain. Electron gain enthalpy, which is also known as electron affinity. Now, let us define this first. It is opposite of ionization enthalpy. Now, here the electron, the incoming electron is being added into the neutral gaseous atom. Now, when an incoming electron is added, depending upon the nature of the element, the energy is either absorbed or released. So, how do we define this electron gain enthalpy? The amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to neutral gaseous atom is known as electron gain enthalpy. Now let us see, as we move from left to right in a period, atomic size decreases. The nucleus is having strong force of attraction for the outer electron. So in such a case, if an electron is coming from outside, the nucleus can readily attract that electrons. So we can say, electron gain enthalpy increases in a period. When you move from top to bottom in a group, atomic size increases. Size is bigger. Nucleus is not able to attract its own electrons. In such a situation, if an electron is coming from outside, The nucleus is unable to attract that electron. So we can say electron gain enthalpy decreases in a group. Now, there are certain very important things. We can say electron gain enthalpy of halogen family is maximum in the respective period. Halogen family means group number 17. They are having the smallest size in the corresponding period. They badly need an electron to become stable. So, they are ready to grab the incoming electron. So, we can say electron gain enthalpy of group number 17 is maximum. Let us move on to the next property, which is electronegativity. Electronegativity is defined as the tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself, right? Just pulling the electron cloud towards itself. A more electron negative atom pulls the electron cloud towards itself. So that electron negativity is the tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. When we move from left to right in a period, I can say atomic size decreases. So, what about electron gain enthalpy? Electron gain enthalpy increases because the tendency to attract electron increases because of the smaller size. Hence we can say, electron negativity increases in a period. Halogens are highly electron negative in nature. When you move from top to bottom in a group, atomic size increases. So we can say electron gain enthalpy decreases because size is bigger. The nucleus is not able to attract its own electrons. So in such a situation, it will not be able to pull the electron cloud also towards itself. Hence, electron negativity decreases in a group.